1212. Hey Yanar, I think Discord is down, so I tried to send a Zoom link, but my Discord just simply doesn't work. Is there a problem on your end? Oh, okay. It's back again.
Hey, Thomas.
Hey, Yanar. Strange. My Discord just completely crashed for 4 or 5 minutes.
Okay. Well, at least it's working now.
Yeah, it's back on now.
Afternoon. Good afternoon, Thomas.
Hello. How is you?
I'm very good, thank you, sir. Briefing, excellent briefing this morning.
Is it
Excellent
good?
briefing. Yeah, very, very good.
Good.
The standard, you're raising the bar each day. The standard's getting higher and higher.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, I like economics, and especially when there's, someone is appreciating what I say. In economics, that's even better. I just went in with another position, as you can see on the screen. I'm gonna use stop loss. Yeah, maybe a bit tighter.
Trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA.
After watching the briefing this morning
for few.
And what you were putting forward, I thought it might not be unreasonable to have a little pullback
every small
into mid or lower 50s here.
Unnoticed by the common eye.
Obviously, touching on we haven't got the open yet.
Playground. With a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.
So I have some shorts on back to mid or lower 50s.
Yeah, it's completely reasonable. I mean, both buys and sells are reasonable. The things that we mentioned in the morning briefing, or I mentioned in the morning briefing, there are some bullish factors, there are some bearish factors. One of the biggest bearish factor is obviously the FOMC statement, which then again goes back to, as mentioned by some of the colleagues, that it reflects, the meeting minutes reflects on the April meeting, and since that there were 3, maximum 4 high impact fundamental economic indicators, and those indicators depicted a completely different picture. So those were Some of them were mixed, I do agree, but generally speaking, majority were quite deflationary. So looking from this perspective, when we have when there's talking about gold, looking from this perspective, I think there's still more upside once the market realizes that the current factors are more on the bullish side rather than the bearish side. But again, we don't know when is it going to be digested by the market. Once it's digested, my target is 23.90. I showed you this downward ascending channel, clearly lower highs, lower lows, and now bringing in technicalities, lower highs, lower lows. So if you look at the market structure, it's still bearish, but my prediction will be that we already broke out from the channel, then we might have a pullback, and then the target is around 23.90, 93, somewhere around along those price levels. And so far the position entered this morning is running in 67 pips of profit. Just entered into another long position that's currently -3 pips, so quite minuscule. I'm using a Thai stop loss on the second entry, and because we didn't break the market structure, there of course a risk of continuation downwards. Again, what is the driving factor for gold sales? FOMC meeting minutes, FOMC or committee member, monetary policy committee members commentary throughout the week, like loads of central banker speeches. Of course, strengthening dollar because of the higher for longer rates. Did I miss anything else? Oh yeah, the other one, important, money. Hot money is now flowing into Nvidia. It's not smart money, it's hot money. Because the story around Nvidia, who delivered a 262% increase or beat the estimates in profits or revenue, can't remember. That was a whopping surprise to the market. Plus, they announced a stock split, which will allow more people to purchase the stocks at a cheaper price. It doesn't mean that existing holders of the stock are going to be worse off. No. They're going to get reimbursed. So they will have more shares, but the price of the stock is going to be lower. This is what stock split means. So right now, yesterday, because we had the meeting minutes, which was quite, hawkish, and we had Nvidia earnings reported, the money is flowing into risk on assets. One of the riskiest assets is stock market, of course, but money flows in there. And of course, people or traders who are using gold to hedge or to speculate, now they're pulling out the money and bringing into the stock market. This is why I say that be careful with the longs, also be careful with the shorts on gold. But during the New York Open, we could see some reversal. I was hoping that gold by that time will reach the pivot, but it hasn't yet. So we face the risk of gold goes lower, because when the market opens and when money or positions close down on gold, we could see continuation lower, and money would flow into, for example, Nasdaq. It doesn't seem like Nasdaq is pulling back. I was expecting a pullback before the New York Open, and as soon as New York opens, price would continue to create higher highs, but it hasn't happened yet. So just looking at gold, nice rejection on this price area right here, which where we identified multiple confirmations supporting long continuation. We have strong support and resistance, we have trend line, we have FIB 7860. Of course, we have the pivots S2. Now, these are only 4 confirmations, and the 5th confirmation was actually a fundamental reason. The people who read the FOMC meeting minutes, of course, they sold. Many of them sold because it was hawkish, but as soon as they realized that it was a meeting a month ago, and since that we had multiple data, and my camera is just turned off, we had multiple datas which tell otherwise, then we might see some continuation on gold. I'm back again. All right. What positions do you guys have open?
We still don't see you in them.
You should be able to see me now.
No. Oh,
Now. Hello.
Yeah, he's flashing in and out.
yeah,
We
it's
don't
black.
see.
Now?
Yeah,
It's your
we see now.
desk.
Hey, Francisca. Francesca, how do I pronounce your name?
Francisca.
Francisca. Very nice.
Okay, it's dark again.
Oh, thank you.
You can't
Let's
see
see.
me again?
No.
It looks okay on my end. Ah. Alright, I'm gonna put the camera on charger.
Okay.
Francisca, I'm going to look up Ashtanga Yoga that's listed there on your name label.
Thank you so much.
Since Francisca joined the Alpha team, I got so interested in yoga, so am I going to start it?
Please, guys, you are super invited to try. And if you like, you can come. I have like a little group Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday.
But we
And
have
it's
to go
very
all the
good.
way. We have to go to Switzerland.
Yeah, also, I think it's much better.
I'm pretty sure many of the members would happily go to Switzerland to have a yoga with Francisca.
Yeah, it's super nice here. You will like.
Not because of Switzerland, but also it's a nice country.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. The lake, the mountains.
Chocolate.
Listen.
Where are you, Thomas?
In
Based?
Pipland.
Sorry. Ah, nice.
What music, guys, do you want today?
Ibiza closing party.
Oh yeah, 8 a.m., 7 a.m., right?
Yeah.
Brad, what is your nickname in Discord?
Good question.
Because sometimes I would like to know who is who.
My Discord name is B3. B3 underscore B3.
Ah, okay.
So Thomas, good day.
Sherry, how are you,
How are
brother?
brother? Fine, fine.
Very good. Position is almost in 80 pips of profit,
Yo,
which is unbelievable.
still holding.
Finally.
still holding with you.
Wait, Tuesday, Wednesday was absolutely shite. But last week we had amazing profits, and this week, it's always the same. Good week, good profits, then followed by, a crappy market. I might have to jump out because I have the builders doing my patio. I need to supervise them. And once my camera is charged, you will have the privilege to see me, my pretty face and my bald head. But until, just my voice.
Thomas, the still photo that's showing looks like you're a motorbike street racer.
I just read a news that says Norway ban all Russian tourists.
Norway is expensive.
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't, if you come here, just live in the van is more nice than have an apartment or something.
Andre, you live
No.
in a van?
Yeah, I'm in Norway.
You live in a van in Norway?
No, no, no. I was saying it's more cheaper to live in the van in Norway than to have an apartment.
But nowadays that happens everywhere. I mean, in Switzerland, it's super difficult to get a rent, so to find a good place also, and very, very
How much is a one bedroom flat in an okay area in Zurich?
In Zurich, around 2,000, I would say, Swiss francs.
That's how much is that in euros?
But that's the minimum. Well, it's always like the same 1-to-1, I think.
Okay, so 2,000 for one bedroom flat.
Yeah.
Insane.
Or I think maybe a little more. Zurich and Geneva are the most expensive.
Oh yeah,
But-
you have Geneva as well.
Yeah.
I've never been to Switzerland, but you know.
You have to come. You're welcome. Then we had a fondue. You should make a trading.
Yeah,
retreat.
definitely.
It's
We're
so
going
pretty,
to.
Switzerland. It's amazing how pretty that place is.
I thought you're gonna say I'm pretty, but it's alright.
Ah, it's amazing.
How do you like the morning briefings, Francisca?
Very, very good. Amazing. Today was excellent to also hear like the fundamentals is what I would like. I'm learning a lot with you. So
Thank you. Do you like fundamentals or?
yeah.
It's
Yeah,
a whole
much
new
more
level in
makes much
trading,
more
isn't
sense.
it?
Yeah. The other is too much. I mean, the simple I find is the best. In technicals, I think like simple is the best, but fundamentals are always the strongest.
Yeah, I'm simple as a piece of brick, so.
Mhm. That's good.
Okay, 14 minutes until jobless claims. We're going to a full analysis. I'm going to come up. We already have a front-running position, which is a little long position. I have to pop out for 2-3 minutes. I will be back, and we're gonna go through on jobless claims, and of course draw out a full trading plan and scenario analysis. And of course, we might have to close down the running position, or we enter more. Who knows? That's going to depend on data. I'll be back in about 2 minutes. No swearing or dirty jokes.
Mike, how are you doing today? Are you you're in the States, right? So things early there for you.
Yeah, just looking at gold. I think I'm staying out until news, and we see a little bit more of a direction. How about you?
I'm just closing some little scalp shorts now. I was hoping before the open it was going to pull back to 60 or 55 or something, but I think I'm going to take your lead and just stay out.
Yeah, I was tempted to front run like Tomas is doing, but at least for the way that I trade, I'm just not seeing a decision, and it's too close to news time for me to jump in.
Yeah, safety first.
Yeah. It's just kind of been in this range for the last, at least the last hour.
Yeah, it's not done much at all.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll just play safe here, I think. Charlie boy,
Where's
doing that.
Where's Adrian today? Is he out?
Wagwan.
You look like a Jedi off Star Wars.
Mm.
Will we making money today, lads?
Nah,
No.
Not yet, Kai. Not yet.
We've made too much.
Kai, how you doing? You know?
All good. Just out at the minute, just in the car. Just thought I'd join in.
Hey, do you? I have to miss the morning briefings. They're just a little bit too early for me. You're UK as well, right? Do you make the briefings in the morning or not?
Yeah, I make him.
Charles is always there. I mean, I'm there
Gee.
probably like 25% of the time, to be honest. But yeah, no, yeah. I don't like trading London session, but I should. If I miss it, I just watch it on the website. So
Yeah.
Habibis, can you see me now?
Yes, we see your beautiful face, Thomas. And
Habibi.
big muscles.
Thank you. Everyone is asking, where is the stop loss? Can you tell me why you enter buy? Yeah, we talked about it, but...
afternoon, Tamash.
Hello, Kai, how are you, brother?
All good, my brother. All good.
You sound very sober on a Thursday afternoon.
You know it.
Just kidding. So, as I promised to you, we are going to analyze jobless claims, which is coming up in 10 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. So,
Oh, God.
yeah, are we able to analyze jobless claims in 8 minutes?
Yes.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Okay, it's the same every single week, so I shouldn't even explain this to you, because you should be able to analyze yourself. So we have jobless claims today, which is the same data every single Thursday. It's a weekly data, spiced up today with some PMI. I'm not sure if it's at the same time, but we are going to no, it's not the same time, so that's good. So PMI, it's, even though it's building permits at the same time, but new home sales is going to be definitely more important than building permits, because one of them is just a piece of paper, the other one is actual start of the construction. So focusing on jobless claims, which is a measure of how many people, entering into a claimant count. Initially is first time, continuing as obviously people who stuck in unemployment for a longer time period. Personally, I prefer counting jobless claims as the most important, because it signals, people come in and go from unemployment, but counting jobless claims actually showing the strength of the job market, whether the job market is able to suck up the excess unemployed people, or if it's unable to accommodate the excess unemployed people, then it means the job market is weakening. And especially important right now, because the FOMC minutes and statements and meetings and press conferences are all about the job market, because job market, believe it or not, is the culprit for wage inflation. The high wages contributing to sticky wage inflation and sticky prices. So we have 7 minutes left. What you need to know is, if jobless claims is decreasing, that means it's inflationary and is bearish for gold. And the reason for that is because did I say less or more? Decreasing or lower jobless claims?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, lower jobless claims is bad. It's good for the economy because everyone's, finding jobs, but it's actually bad for the current inflationary and interest rate environment. The reason for that, because currently the Fed, for 2 years now, fighting with inflation, and the less people claiming unemployment benefits, the more money is circulating in the economy. Imagine the people who are employed, they get salaries, those salaries get paid, and those salaries spent, and that money is circulating in the economy and generating more and more inflation. And the goal of the central banks, in this case the Federal Reserve, is to tighten the money supply. They can achieve this by increasing interest rate, they can achieve this by open market operations, by increasing the minimum reserve requirement ratio to banks, so they're unable to lend out more than what they have in deposits. So they have multiple things. So lower jobless claims is going to be bearish for gold. Higher jobless claims should be quite bullish. And remember that one bird doesn't make a summer, as a famous Hungarian saying goes. But we do what the Fed does. Jay Powell was very clear about it, that they do follow the data and make decision based on data, meeting by meeting. So what we do exactly the same thing as some of the smartest people in the world, and some of the people who claim the most amount of money, control the most amount of money in the world, is watch the data. And right now gold is pulling back a little bit, so that position is running in minus 13 pips profit, the last entry. Quickly, let's have a look. But the first one is still in 57 pips profit. Yeah, these are the live positions. So I entered into 2 long positions. One in the morning, it's gone up all the way to 76 pips profit, something like that. And the second one is just entered as soon as started the stream. Maybe it was a bit premature. The market structure, if you want to talk about technicals, clearly bearish. I do agree with that, and we might see some pullback lower, but there are many factors which going in. I'm definitely seeing continuation upwards, but first we need to get out of this big pullback, big sell-off on gold on a higher time frame. You can see the market structure is clearly bullish, but you tell me, what do you think, bullish or bearish? Higher time frame.
High time frame bullish.
Yeah. It's always difficult to forecast where's the bottom? Where is it going to bounce back? So going back to the chart, I'm going to leave for the members the MetaTrader screen, and everyone else is going to see a trading view. Oh shit, where's Kobanafix? Yeah, I need to send him the link. I keep forgetting to send out the links. Sorry. When I went out to see the builders, all of them were gone. I was like, what the hell? They already left.
Done half a job.
No, they finished, but then they just, left off. And there's still some job to do, some cleaning to do. They're not going to leave the sites, dirty. They never leave, but it's better to be there.
Probably they left to go for the news. Jobless.
No, most likely to the pub, not the news. It's not that kind of builders who follow, financial data. They follow Heineken and, Budweiser.
Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh my god.
The great man.
Big guy with the small feet.
Yo.
What's up, guys? How are you today?
Pretty good. How are you?
Yes, I'm doing very well. This trading week is madness for me.
Man.
Lucky for you. Well done.
Have you given away that car yet?
Excuse me?
Have you given away the Lamborghini yet?
Not yet. We are not there. After we pass the $5 million volume, we will. Before we are giving away a couple of small gifts like scooters and yachts like this.
Yachts. Small things, yacht. Completely different lifestyle.
Yesterday we missed gold sell. We tried to sell it, but after basically it's not give the opportunity. We tried to sell it from 2,421.50, but yeah, after New York session open, it's just melted crazy to the downside, and in the Asia session it's continue.
FOMC meeting minutes and Nvidia earnings definitely send down, gold prices. 2 reasons: FOMC hawkish, and Nvidia just crazy earnings per share, which hot money is flowing from, hedging assets, safe haven assets to risky assets. But let's listen to banter, because I'm pretty sure he's in position, so maybe you have something for us. Signals?
To be honest, yesterday I have Euro USD sell and USD CAD buy. That's worked very well. I made up to $36,000, so that was more than enough for me. I closed everything, and for the gold, what I was expecting yesterday is 2,386. That's passed really easy, and yeah, it's now sitting at the interesting level. So what I'm also expecting, maybe with the news, some pullback to the downside, then after the continuation to the upside.
And we have 10, 9, sorry Benson, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And the jobless claims data. Let's see. Jobless claims, come. Lower on the initial jobless claims and the continuing. It's higher, so it's mixed data.
That was predicted as well.
Yeah, the continuing didn't have a thing.
Initial jobless claims is quite low.
It's lower than the previous, lower than the forecast, which is bearish for gold. But if you look at the continuing jobless claims, now that's, I would say, semi-significantly higher. So that's deflationary. So less people entering into unemployment, more people staying in unemployment. That means to me that the job market is weakening. So I'm going to hold on to these long positions. Building permits down. That's deflationary as well. It's very mixed data. What do you think, guys? Spencer, Coben, what do you think?
I think I still keep my words, what I told you before. So, the price left some gap here. So I think possibility will fill up and goes to the upside. Or the other scenario, maybe one more low and after upside. So the overall direction for me is still bullish. But yeah, the data is mixed, so it's a bit difficult to tell you exactly. Or the other reason, now the price will be ranging a little bit, and once the real market open in New York, we will get the upside movement.
Possible, very much possible. Yeah, I'm gonna pull out from the second position, and most likely the first position as well. Mostly because the data is mixed. So in these cases, what is likely is that the trend is going to continue a little bit lower. Or maybe I should leave the first entry. Yeah, leave it. Why not?
I'm going to try to hold shorts here to 56.
Yeah, PMI. The other thing is that PMI is a bit stronger. There's more tension for manufacturing and services PMI, which is going to be released in an hour and 15 minutes. And of course, the New York Stock Exchange open after Nvidia reported whopping earnings last night. So definitely, this is it for now. The show is at the New York Open. The focus. Euro USD. Let's have a look on the other markets as well.
DXY is bouncing off the weekly pivot.
Nasdaq is going to reach 20,000 very soon. Matter of days, matter of weeks.
Nasdaq is moving crazy.
It's on steroids.
Yeah.
But
probably taking mine. That's the reason why I'm not growing so fast in the gym.
Bit of trend.
Yeah.
Last few weeks, last few months, gold was actually very generous to everyone. Like literally all you had to do is just set a position in the morning and it was going up like 500, 600, 700 pips a day. Unbelievable. But if you missed it, it's not a problem because you enter the next day.
Kai, how's that Nasdaq long?
Oh,
think
I've closed that ages ago.
Oh, imagine if you held it.
I know,
Benson, do you have anything for us to enter into a trade?
To be honest, I was expecting a little bit push to the upside and USD to 1.0857.1, and after I'm still waiting continuation to the downside till 1.07900.
On which pair? Euro USD?
Yes, exactly. Yeah, I'm waiting a little bit more downside movement because we have some gap what the price should be filled up in the future. That's what I'm expecting. So one more low and maybe after, because you know exactly what is this.
Yeah, I'm gonna pop out. Benza, can you run the stream for me, please, for 5-10 minutes? And make some profit, yeah? I think you can share your screen. Can you try sharing your screen?
Yes, I'll try.
Hold on, let me just try set.
You need to change the security settings.
Angelo just posted a sell limit.
In the Discord.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's working now.
Can you try now?
Yes, can you see my screen?
We don't see.
No,
Not yet, Benzo.
All
we
right.
still see Tomas's.
Try now.
How about now?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
we see.
Yes.
So basically,
Oh,
this is what
good
I'm.
trades.
Angelo and Asal.
Yeah, I have a couple of nice trades. It was yesterday, and what I
just sorry, I entered into a long position again, and I will be back in about 5-10 minutes. Coban FX, welcome everyone. He's going to run the show today.
Yeah. So basically, what I'm looking on Euro USD, this is the setup. You can see the risk reward. It's almost 1 to 10, and basically I'm trading intraday perspective, and I'm using more technical tools than fundamental. Of course, on different pairs like on gold, we know exactly the fundamental things is more important because we know exactly if somewhere war or anything going, it can be reflect the price more than Forex pairs, because there is two sides basically. And now what I'm waiting on Euro USD, it's a little bit more push to the upside, and after this region I will get some confirmation. I will be looking to take a sell, and I will target the higher time frame point of interest. So for me, this is the place. Hopefully it's coming back to 1.0859 and 6. And if the price coming close to that point, I'm just going on the lower time frame and I'm waiting structure shift on the M15 or the M5. It depends how fast the price coming to this place. I don't know how do you trade, but basically what is really important for me, I know where is the market maker takes the liquidity. And after they takes the liquidity, that's the place where they can place them orders, because we know exactly if you are trading on the Forex market, there is two sides. One is for the sell, one is for the buy. And if you want to place sell positions, you need the other side, so more buyers. Yeah. And for example, what you see, this candle, it takes the liquidity above this candle. So I know exactly that was a liquidity what the price taken out. So for me, the last candle is a valid point of interest where I'm waiting for more confirmation to take a trade, because I know exactly most of the time who makes the liquidity. the market makers.
Yeah, market maker.
Exactly. So that's the place what you need to find yourself. Well, if you are going against the main people, so you can imagine if 90% of the people looking to sell, what will be happened?
Colburn, do you only trade New York session or
No, sometimes I'm trade also London session.
London as well?
And
Okay.
just beginning because that's the time. So beginning of London and beginning of New York, when basically the real liquidity, the real volume coming to the market.
Yeah. How often do you trade the PM session of New York?
It depends, I have family and everything, and like I told you this week already, I made loads of profits, so I'm not really stressing for the trade and I'm not forcing. But if I have an opportunity, if I have any confirmation, I of course I pick up the money from the floor.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Very good, very good.
Thank you very much. Yeah. I have
Coben, once you get that entry at 108.55 or 6, are you holding, like, just looking, this is 1 hour chart, right? So I would expect you would hold that sell for 24 hours, 24 candles or something like this.
It's a bit hard to tell you in 5-10 minutes the strategy, but basically what I'm looking always the higher time frame. What is the higher time frame liquidity? What can be on uptrend? Basically, if I write the higher lows. Why? Because how the traders, the simple traders thinking, if the price create higher highs and higher lows, the trend is uptrend. So I think most of you, okay, let me do just a little bit example on the chart. So if the price create higher highs and higher lows, what we are expecting? We will be expecting if the price coming back again, it will be shifting and continue to the upside. Where is the most of the people putting the stop loss? Or maybe
below the lows.
Where do you put? So it was the high low. Where do you put? Above, below? Where?
Below the lows.
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you think who you are?
What's that?
You are the liquidity.
Oh, yeah.
You see what is this? Support and resistance.
Yeah.
Also, it's one more thing. The price, the people expecting it will be shifting here. And it's create double bottom. Where are they put the stop loss?
Just below again, yeah.
Okay, let me show you what will be happen. It's very tricky and same time it's very funny after I show you. So what will be happen? The price takes out the liquidity here. And now who trade the trend line, what they are expecting, what will be happen at this point? What do you think?
To continue bearish.
Yes, and let me show you what will be happen. So it's coming to the upside and coming down, and this is the place where I'm taking a buy.
Yeah.
So at this case, who's selling here, where are they put the stop loss? Higher.
Just above, yeah.
Yeah, if someone trade the breakout trade, they are trying to take a buy. And yeah, basically this is the place where I'm looking to take a buy. Because the overall trend is bullish and the higher time frame. So this is check the move. 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour. You see? So on the 1 hour, you need to see this example. Basically, because 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour. But we are in the 4 hour, we are still bullish.
So maybe even a safe entry would be once you break that intermediate high after the breakout. So it could be like a buy stop.
Yes. But basically this is just one entry model what I'm using. And this is just one liquidity types. What is also liquidity if someone trade the candlestick formation. So this is the daily candle. This is the high, the previous daily high. This is the previous daily low. So what will be the liquidity? What is the liquidity? Above
just and above and below.
Yes.
Yeah.
Just after I need to go on the smaller time frame and I need to check in there a couple of different things. So yeah, basically this is just two examples, but I can show you a a lot. Also, session liquidity, because one trading day it's mean 3 trading session. Asia, New York, Asia, New York, and how I trading and what I really like. For example, on gold, we have bullish movement after Asia creates sideways moves. What is sideways moves? Range. There is liquidity. What I'm expecting, the price will be goes against first the main trend, so it's start pushing to the downside. And after New York, what you trade with Thomas and with the news, the continuation to the upside. Simply they are generating more liquidity against the higher time frame move, and after they have enough volume to place them orders and continue with the main trend.
Coben, am I right in saying so? When you're looking at the previous day's highs and lows, if you're in a uptrend, are you looking for the previous day low to be swept for then a continuation, and then vice versa, the previous day high to be swept for a reversal? Is that what you look for?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and maybe you can see the session boxes. So this is the session boxes. Asia after London, and the gray one is the New York what just opened.
Yeah.
But yeah, every day is different, but you need to understand it. I heard that word so many times. If you don't know where is the liquidity, you are the liquidity.
Yeah.
But not every day is the same, because some of the day, for example, you saw the past few weeks gold pushing really, really crazy to the upside. And my FX book has the Forex sentiment page where you can check what is the majority people doing. So you can imagine if 95% of the people looking to sell gold, they don't need to make big pullback. Why? Because they have enough
liquidity
to continue with the trend. Yeah. That's all. Okay, let's see what's going on gold.
Stagflation, that's what it is. Not doing anything.
Yeah, today is pretty slow, but I think probably once the New York session open, really we will see some decent move. Do you have any question?
Colin, I see the same example that you told in the goal. I already saw it in 4 hours in gold.
Which one is it?
I'm just switching chart. So yeah, gold. So yeah, basically this is where the price currently now. You can see this is the Asia session, and like I told you yesterday, we tried to take a sell from here, but unfortunately the London session is not coming to the Asia open, and yeah, have to just continue to the downside. What is interesting for me, you see in the past it was a take profit level, is this place.
Yeah.
There is what's happened here, the price ranging. After the price make the breakout to the upside, then probably it was news, the price take out the liquidity below these lows. So this place where the price shifted in London low, we can expect after some retracement the continuation. But I don't really like one thing, how the price shifted. So can you see the London open?
Yeah, double bottom.
Yes, we can say that. So now this is what we are called inducement. So the price looks like make the trend shift here. It's left a small imbalance here, but there is equal low. So it's still possible. It's make one more push to the downside, and New York will be make the low of the day because London left some equal lows. So then what I'm expecting, if it makes some retracement, still to the downside, after the structure shift, the price will and after the continuation, how Thomas also expecting.
Yeah, that would be ideal.
Because at this case, if someone just chasing the 15 minutes or lower time frame, they see, oh, the price already rejected here a couple of times. So what they are expecting, again, rejection. But what they are doing, they are putting the stop loss a little bit below. So probably this will be happen.
Yeah.
We will see. Thomas, are you here?
I don't know, guys. This is looking pretty bearish to me.
Yeah.
It's
You
fallen
see,
quite far.
the 1 hour looks like try to shifting. But so for example, this case, how the people expecting something like this. But there is still liquidity. So for me, I'm waiting one more. Push to the downside after all.
Are you only looking at buying at the right spot, Koban?
Yeah, if it makes something like that, yes, I will. I just follow the move on the lower time frame, and I'm waiting for clear structure shift.
Yeah.
Hi everyone. I'm just waiting for this setup as well. I've been posted the picture on his Discord. The gold can reach 23.55 or 23.52, and then goes long.
Yeah, that's absolutely possible. Because like I told you, this move was really strong. You can see the rejection. So definitely here, lots of orders was placed. And first, how the market makers working, they are pushing the price to the downside. So what they are doing basically, they are selling, and for the sell side, they need buy. And once the price goes below the liquidity, what's happening when they are drop the sell positions? What they are generate?
Yes, liquidity.
Buy orders. So same times when they are close the sell, same time they open buy. So what they are making? The crazy movement. Because when you close your sell position, that time you buy. And they are putting more extra positions with buys, and the price going crazy.
I'm also using the move average on 200 on
To be
time
honest, I'm only using this session indicators because it also shows the previous weekly high, previous weekly low, but nothing else.
Which one is that?
Asia session range.
Oh yeah, okay. That's
just
good. They have that average.
Yeah, just the basic setup. I didn't change anything on it.
It's good.
Thomas, are you here?
Yes, I'm back. How was everything?
I giving back the microphone. I drop it.
Yeah, thank
Why?
you, Koban. Very good.
So what was it? Sorry, keep in conclusion, because I see that my position is running in 37 pips drawdown and 11 pips profit.
You can share your screen, bro.
Gracias, señor.
Just what I told you, if you see there is a small equal loss, so what I'm expecting, that will be taken out, and after we are waiting the trend shift.
And where is that area which will be taken out?
End of the move today.
But what price level?
Your stop loss.
Oh, marvelous, marvelous.
I don't want to tell you.
Yeah, that's why you were so quiet.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Can I ask something to him?
I think he's married.
No. I'm also. Does he always wait for the liquidity sweep to enter?
Not only the daily, because inside of the daily.
The liquidity sweep. You always wait and then you enter.
Yes, exactly. Why?
Yeah.
Because you know, if somewhere liquidity swap happened, I know who's standing there. Probably.
Yeah.
The big boys with the big toys.
Fuel.
Yes.
Coben, do you ever use order blocks or like supply and demand?
The supply demand is also so many times liquid, so I don't
Yeah.
use it. I using the order blocks, but like this, how the beautiful lady asking. So if you see somewhere swap,
Yeah.
probably their liquidity was taken, liquidity was exist. So
Yeah.
what they need to be doing, pushing back the price there.
That's the rotation, yeah.
They are drop the bad positions and open more with the good ones.
Yeah, it's good. So on this gold pullback that we had, there was a big imbalance. And obviously it's just corrected that imbalance, and now we're just retracing and continuing trend potentially for that triple bottom sweep.
You know, that's what I think possible before the next news coming out, a little bit more push to the downside. And after with the double news, they will be changing to rocket mode.
Coven, did you analyze anything else or just gold?
We're talking from Euro USD couple.
Euro USD, yeah, is really good.
That's long,
great.
right?
At the moment long, but to be honest, I'm waiting one more push to the downside before it
Yeah, I
goes.
need some profitable trades, Banter. So
But
help me out
expected to.
with TP stop loss.
To be honest, what we talk, we are waiting first to 1.0, it's 57 top, and after I'm waiting confirmation on the lower time frame.
I'm really
it's
tempted to
happened
enter
almost.
into a long position on Euro USD.
I think it's
now.
yeah.
You know, it can be still just fake out and after a little bit pull back down and after go.
Look,
Yeah.
isn't it hard to make that final decision on going long just because of the divergence that they have, and Europe's going to cut in soon, and you know.
You know, I don't really like, I never buy high and never sell low.
Yeah.
We do a lot.
Yeah. That's not good. But Thomas also repeat this thing so many times. How do you say, Tom? Too high?
Too high to buy, too bullish to sell.
Exactly.
Too low to sell, too bearish to buy. So it's the
Just
opposite.
can never trade.
Yeah, but sometimes when I see, for example, on this price level here, imagine how many people were going short. But when I see, double tops, I usually go long all the time. It's just the easiest trade to do the opposite what other people do. I mean, 99% of people, and of course they don't take into account the fundamentals. And if you see the fundamentals pointing into one direction but the technicals showing exactly the opposite, trust the fundamentals, because usually those work out. And gold is back again.
Double top is liquidity above to the double tops, because everybody expecting if it create the triple one, again rejection.
Very nice. Inverted head and shoulders, as many traders say. I went in another long position, but again, just 1.5 lots, so nothing big. Coben is the big boss with the big lots.
51.8 Fibonacci.
How you doing, Luis?
Fine, you, Thomas. Thank you for all you do, and thank you, Coben.
Yeah, I think you should join the live streams more often, and you should start your own live streaming, because you're doing very well, Benza.
I'm doing, but you know,
I'm a bit shy.
Sorry.
Why are you shy? You handsome, wealthy. You shouldn't be shy. You should be proud.
Yeah, you know, it's a little bit different than I'm doing for my closer friends. I don't know why, but yeah, maybe you can give me some stream lesson as well.
Yeah, you join. We warm you up, and then you can start. But come anytime, and you get your time here. You get your spot.
But you know me. I really like to have for other people's, and Probably
Yeah,
most of
it's true.
you here because you want to learn something from Thomas. He's a really, really good trader. He's a really, really good guy. And yeah, basically, we are really, really like to help for other people because we was exactly in the same situation here. Probably sad to say, but most of the people. And you wanna do something what makes you happy, what you makes financial freedom. So yeah, 2 days ago I made $80,000 in one day, and you can show me too many working places where you can make the same amount.
It's insane, yeah.
The one thing is, one thing that you don't know about Banter, like he's one of the most humble guy, good heart, good man. He did help a lot of people, and I know for a reason that there was a guy who lived in his van with his dog, and you helped him out with money as well. Do you remember him?
Yes.
Yeah, and not just him. There are many other people he did help out, and so he's definitely trustworthy and a good trader. Different style, technicalities, but good technicalities and big muscles.
Not that big without steroid, but health is family. Yeah. Quite a slow market today as well, but
yeah, PMI is coming up in 45 minutes and your stock exchange open in 30 minutes. But I'm just keep punishing myself with these buys.
I did that yesterday.
It's all good. You have seed bat.
Yeah.
That's the weapon of the week. But we have to use stop loss.
Next week, no stop loss.
Yeah, new month. Definitely. But you notice when I'm confident during the week and trades going in the right direction, I use bigger lots, 2.5, 5 lots. Last week I even used 10 lots just to recover some losses, but I was really, really sure. But when things start to go south, when things doesn't start to work out, the first thing when I start in a losing streak, the first thing I do, or if I don't feel the market, the first thing I do, immediately halve the positions, halve the lot sizes, and that is probably one of the best strategies for risk management. When you don't feel it, just take your foot off the gas pedal.
Thomas, we can't see your beautiful face. You forget to share your camera.
Oh, you can't see me now.
Hey, there's
now
the
you can sleep well.
Hey, Habibi, come to Dubai.
Thomas, I play that to my daughter when she's in the bath. She loves it.
How old is she?
4.
4.
4. She's in the bath. She says, "Play me Habibi." Play me Habibi.
All right, guys, I'm gonna pull out from the long positions. It's just eating into my profits, and it's not good. So it's not my week, So definitely going to just observe for now and wait for PMI.
Yeah, boy. Still waiting for my funded account.
How is it going? You passed last week, haven't you?
It was 3 days ago I passed, or 2 days ago. It takes like 5 days for them to go through everything and check it all out, make sure I didn't do anything shady.
Amazing. What's the account size?
200k.
200k funded account.
Yeah, and I'm gonna trade so safely on there.
Your life is about to change.
Which firm is it, Charles?
It's with the Alpha Capital Group, so it kind of makes sense being with the Alpha FX, right?
Yeah, just be careful, man. Like Thomas just said, your life is about to change. Just carry on how you were doing it, innit? That's it.
I'll probably cut down risk even more than how I was trading to pass, because I made like 10k in 2 days to pass phase 2, and phase 1 took like 15 days to make 16k, so I don't need to make that money right now. And I don't want to risk something like that.
Sorry, I do want to go in another long position, but just Banter, where's the price level you're waiting for?
To be honest, what I told you, what I like. If you go into the, what was the time frame?
25, 55, 23.
Possible one more push, but if it's make the rejection,
Yeah, I
told
went
you
in.
on the H1 it makes. I think it was on Trading View. It's fill up the imbalance.
It has cleared that.
Yes. So yeah, I told you what I'm expecting. The price rejecting there, we can expecting upside movement. Like this. If it goes below, I think we can wait.
Hey, 6 pips of profit.
Yeah, so let's go.
6 pips. Amazing.
How'd you draw on the screen?
We don't want to tell you, otherwise,
I'm gonna find out.
No willies, no penises on the screen, please.
I did it accidentally one time, I remember.
Naughty boy.
The whiteboard. The whiteboard. Oh. This isn't fair.
Remember the color.
In the meantime, I'll wait. I'm going to do the returns for my online shoppings.
Jeez.
Cheeky Ralph Lauren.
Thomas, can I ask again? How did you manage, like what you said before, the 10 lots, if in case it's going in the wrong direction?
No. So I usually, my biggest mistake is I enter the market too early before London Open. You might have noticed that I have a bias, but I always fall into the trap. And by the way, I'm a 21 pips profit, so I always fall into the trap of entering too early, even though the analysis and the bias is correct. But we have these so-called liquidity sweeps, or pre-market manipulation, and then I have 1 or 2 losing positions, and then the dust settles down, and then I enter again, and all goes into the right direction. Sometimes we do have manipulation, but the manipulation could be sell the news and buy the fact, buy the news and sell the fact, depending on the fundamental data, depending on the scenario, depending on the news. So my biggest mistake is I have the bias, which is a buy, but they sell the news and I buy the fact when they're selling the news. And eventually it goes into the right direction. So I don't enter into heavy lots immediately just to recover the trades, because that is just suicide, simple suicide. But when I realized that, okay, so I still hold to the bias, that's number 1. I hold to the bias, but after 1 or 2 losing position, I wait and I hold to the bias, and when I see, okay, now I see some weakness, now I see the market is start turning, and then I go in with a heavier lot. Last time I went in with 100 lots by accident. And
wow.
And it works out fine, but it's dangerous. And the problem is that I only recommend this to experienced traders, because they can differentiate, they can control their emotions, they understand the mistakes. I understand my mistakes going in early with the buys, but then I wait for the right opportunity again.
Thank you, Thomas. Thank you.
You are welcome.
Very slow.
It's not my week.
Aha! I figured out how to draw. Keep going.
I'm looking for another sell, Charles.
It's good. I think the thing is, if you're trying to trade like with technical analysis and stuff, trying to look. So what Coben was explaining earlier about the Euro USD trade, and he's happy to wait as long as he needs to for that entry, which has actually come up to the price point already. What I struggled with for a long time was being able to sit on my hands and actually wait for the market structure shift on lower time frame to then see that prices changing. So instead of continuing the trend, it would take out some lower lows or something like that and then create a new resistance or support. I always used to just jump the gun and get in straight away without any confirmation.
Yeah.
So that was something that I've had to work on. So like now, it's Euro USD has come up to the price point. I would have just accepted in my head, like, I'm okay with the risk. I'm just going to enter now and hope that it will go my way. But as I've joined like a community with other people trading, I think I find it easier now to just see that price is there. I'll probably wait for another 15, 20 minutes on the 5-minute time frame and wait for that lower high to be taken and then it to create a lower high again.
The waiting part of it is very, very difficult. Like time,
it sucks, yeah.
You've got to use time as your edge. You've got to use it to your advantage. And once you've got that covered, as Benson was saying before, waiting for that 108.56 or 57, just wait. Just wait. Don't do anything. You've got no risk until you're waiting to the optimum point. It's
true.
It's only positive to wait.
All I have to do. All I have to do
is say it and do it.
All I have to do is just leave the computer and price is going into my direction. It's the perfect strategy. If you want to make money, hit the like button because there is a direct correlation between gold price and the number of likes on YouTube. And also the second one, just set and forget and just leave your desk and the price, you will make loads of money.
When Tomas walks away, everyone trade.
Last year, every time when I shut down the live stream, price was just going absolutely mental.
I'd say quite recently you've had you've entered at the exact right time and then gold would go up in volatility. You would just push straight away as soon as you enter.
Yeah. Sometimes it's It's luck, mostly.
That's your capital.
Yeah, I'm sure. Move 100, thousands of year-old market with 1.5 lot.
Benson's in 100 lots selling Euro USD.
You know, like Charles or George.
Oh, and look, Euro USD is going up. If I entered, I would be up.
No, you sell now. This is where you sell. It's too high to buy.
Yeah.
No, I would buy.
But you know, there is no confirmation for the sell.
I am the confirmation.
We just have the point of interest. So, like you told for us, so you need to wait.
Yeah.
It's like, there is a stupid example, but there is a light when you are driving. There is a red, yellow, green. Possible there is a yellow, and you are start to go another stupid coming crazy because he has also yellow. And what will be happen? The crash. But for example, where is the green light? There is more chance and more confidence. Nobody coming on your way.
Yes, you hope. Makes sense.
So where do I go to the red light?
No,
you have already.
Oh, it's not the district. Okay.
That's not possible. That's not possible, For me, always green light and empty road.
I go to the red light.
Yeah.
Red light, no seatbelt.
Yeah. I know everybody wanna trade. For example, if we are sitting in front of the chart couple of hours, but not this is the main focus. What you need to keep in front of your eyes. You need to see the other things. Basically, you are doing something what really makes you happy, what makes your time free, and you just need to wait 1-2 trades, and you are done. You just need nice capital.
That's so true.
So nice when I use my phone, my iPhone.
That's great.
Because my battery, I can
can
bring my camera everywhere I go because I'm using my iPhone. I can't show it because it's in my hand. But
Jeez.
Walk away.
Whoa. Nice wall, bro. It's good.
There's a bull shagging a bear.
Yeah.
It's like, oh.
Yeah. I think what's going to help me wait for my setups is set an alert. So we'll set an alert for Euro USD to break the low. You're making me dizzy.
Yeah, I feel sick.
There's a TikTok thing that girls on the London Tube are going like absolutely mental. They stand at the window, the wind blows their hair, and they just go.
Oh yeah, great.
But I don't know, because I don't want to hold my camera. Fucking hell, why do I put this shit? Oh, I've got it.
Hey Charles, a whole bunch of the retarded Telegram groups that I'm in are all sending gold buy signals now. My Telegram on my computer is going out of control. I've just got almost 20 buy signals for gold.
Wow. Where are their stop losses? 2,350.
I'll tell you if you want. One second.
Some of these bang stop loss profit groups, they give crazy stop losses like 200-300 pips.
Yeah, and then their first TP is 5 pips.
Charles, some of them don't even have SL or TP. It's just buy now. Buy now.
What? Well, that's good for us.
This guy says TP1 at 2370, TP2 2377.
That's pretty good. That's just the next
You know, if you can find really, really bad signal provider, you just go against them.
Yeah.
And you will have 100% win ratio.
Yeah.
Coben, already I'm doing this. I'm reverse trading. I've got 10 of them I'm reverse trading already for 10 pip TP. And it just goes 10 pip, 10 pip, 10 pip, 10 pip all the time.
Cool. You find the best and the most easiest simple strategy.
Yeah.
Mm.
The software I got gives you the drawdown, the actual drawdown and average drawdown of all the trades from, like, I've got 30 Telegram groups. And the one that goes in biggest drawdown, I just picked to reverse trade.
Oh, that's cool.
Wow.
You just need to find that signal group where you can find the worst win ratio.
I'm still waiting for more pullback. Come on, come on.
How do you like my new angle?
Good, yeah.
You need to work on the abs and the shoulders, Thomas.
Fuck off. Sorry.
Thomas, when is your birthday?
2nd of, well, I tell you in person.
Okay, because yesterday
In
I
July.
met with a lady and she's selling machines what indicates your hair to growing fast like my.
No, trust me, if some of the richest football players can't grow hair because they have money, if they can't grow hair with all these chemicals and something apart from hair transplant in Turkey, then I'm not going to. But I accepted it long time ago.
This is just machine, and she told me if someone using, just have to use 4 or 5 times. So after you can be the Forex mafia.
Yeah. And is it good for the ding dong as well?
No, I'm not sure. I will ask only for you.
Yeah, just ask for the tralala.
Oh my God. I think Gold definitely waiting for the news, and
yeah,
after we will get some crazy
9
news.
minutes and we have London Open. New
York Open.
The other one, the new London. Bal Bogdan on YouTube. Koban FX, are you Romanian? No, he's from Goldenistan.
Pipland, that's a good one.
I know, I invented it.
You can make your own country,
Thomas, what is your TP on EU? The new high?
Yeah, the previous.
Yeah, that's cool.
No,
basically that's the previous weekly high.
Yeah.
It's good for take profit, definitely, if it start to flying high.
It's not good for my heart rate right now. And by the way, guys, next week I will be on holiday for the whole week. No morning briefing, no live trading. So, maybe Banter can jump in.
Where are you going? Or is it secret?
For now it's secret. And then I will show you.
Alright, super. Are you taking everybody with you?
No, just alone. I'm gonna go to Dubai, rent some sports car, shoot
I
some.
have some. Yeah, I have some idea. Maybe one of the puzzle pieces, Andre.
Yeah. I'm going to see Andre.
That's wonderful.
He promised me he's gonna take me out for a nice, expensive dinner. So I couldn't refuse the offer, and I told him wine, dine, and maybe 69, and he said yeah.
That's wonderful. Gold pushing slowly but surely.
45 pips profit, very nice. We have 6 minutes. until US Open, New York Open, sorry. And yeah, euro dollar long, euro GBP is a cunt. Nasdaq is already pulling back, which is good after Nvidia, so I'm expecting it to pull back to around this price level, very pumped up on the Nvidia earnings, and then from here a new all-time high. Position on gold, 50 pips profit, very nice. And those of you guys who are interested on YouTube to join the Alpha community, I'm posting a link for you. There's the discounted price. Feel free to join the Alpha community. Morning briefings most of the days. Live trading most of the days. Wonderful community. Loads of banter. We have the hottest girls. We always in profit. Like, isn't it right?
Oh yeah.
Of Organo, hello, do you trade only USD pairs? No. I tried Euro GBP yesterday, that didn't turn out well. We have 5 minutes until New York Open. Let's see what's going to happen.
I'm waiting with you the next 4 minutes and I have to go pick up the kids. We are going to birthday party.
Oh, very nice.
I love these days, you know. So many candies.
Yeah, is it your cheat day?
Everything. Oh, bro. Every day is cheat day for me. That's the big problem.
Oh, you don't look fat. Like,
No, you know, too much stress hold me back.
are you stress eating?
To be honest, no.
Even.
You know, if I'm really stressful, I'm not eating anything.
I do eat. I do stress eat. You have 2
I've
minutes
been muted
and
for the
20.
last 5 minutes.
You've been muted.
Yep.
And you've
I
been
was saying
talking.
a bunch of things. Too late now. It's all past.
Do you want to repeat what you just said?
No.
Or- We are here to listen, so.
Nah, it's okay.
So come down. Come on. You pig.
It did say you had to sell Euro GBP because it was going to come in hotter than expected.
Yeah, but then the surprise, you know, the data was a surprise, so.
Yeah.
I'm going to say it was manipulation, so it's beyond my control. It wasn't my fault.
That's good enough.
The market makers, I mean, yeah, you know, you can't do anything about them really. It's not me. It was the market maker.
You win some, you lose some. No way.
Yes, come on.
Are you selling gold, Brad?
Yeah, I'm short to 55.
Great. What's the point?
I just put on another short, another little one at 7.2.
Why do you hate
Another
me so
one.
much?
You're really selling.
Now I'm having a really shitty week. Like stop loss hit, stop loss, stop loss hit, and now you put the last nail in my coffin. You too, Brutus.
I'm gonna move my TP to 56.
How wonderful.
57. Well, it's not gonna happen. But it might.
Come on.
20 seconds to New York Open. We have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ding ding dong.
Down, down, down.
No.
Telegram's going spastic.
What is Naz doing? Naz is selling off. Your USD just stuck.
DXY is selling off though. I don't get it. It's below weekly pivot. Gold go up. We got technicals, we got fundamentals.
Sometimes just you can't
Maybe
explain.
We don't have liquidity.
Where is the volume?
None. That triple bottom now we've spoken about is pretty scary, isn't it? 23.55.
Tom, can you go to the M15 just for a second?
It's to where? Sorry.
M15.
On gold.
M5. You see the move?
Let me lower the volume. Go on. Go ahead.
All liquidity takeout is there. This one can be a valid order. Looks like this.
Everyone, all in, full margin, no stop loss. This is not financial advice, but
Coben has spoken.
Yeah, but Coben has spoken.
Okay, from this point, I hope the trade, but just with small.
You're in.
only 50 lots.
No.
Let's make some money.
Okay. Not that much, but I'm with you from this point.
Let's do it. They do say the London will make the high or low of the day, so you know we've created the low.
New data is coming out in 13 minutes. Services PMI and manufacturing.
What's predicted from it?
Insignificantly lower. Almost no change.
New home sales is lower as well, so it's all deflationary. It's good. It's good, no?
Apologize, guys, but I have to go pick up my kids. Thanks for the opportunity to be with you. I hope.
Thanks for being here.
It was a pleasure. See you later. Bye bye.
Enjoy it. So it's time to enjoy the profit and the rest of the day.
Thank you for the signal. Bye.
Ciao.
See you.
What was the signal? What did he say? I missed it.
Bye.
He said no. He said bye bye.
Can't trust you guys at all.
What?
Look at that pump. Look at the pump. Oh my
Rich.
god.
Shut up.
Oh no, not another 2 pips.
Pump, pump, pump.
Oh my god.
Sorry, Brad.
I'm holding my short.
That's okay.
I got no stop loss on it either.
Oh.
That's the boy. That's the man. I love it. No stop loss.
Zero
No
point
stop loss
zero
Thursday.
one loss.
Stop loss is the weapon of the week. You don't need a stop loss. Just be a man. The same like airbags in a car. It's useless.
Gold trading lower despite a weaker dollar. Make it make sense.
Look at that. For now.
They're good blues, Thomas. Those blues are amazing, mate. So good.
Yeah, you see, this is a good thing that I have like silly running positions of 0.005 lots, 620 pips on gold. Not much, but if you leave some runners, you can show off on YouTube. Best strategy ever.
Yeah. So, the hopes for the near-term US cut at the end of the year has probably been pushed back a little bit more, hasn't it? And potentially it's going to be a hike. I mean, obviously we have to wait for data, but
Wow. Wow, look at the push.
that's good.
How is dollar looking, Charles? Weakening?
Yeah, it is. Blowed weekly and daily pivot. Just about to break its low as well. Sometimes it goes through phases where the DXY, the dollar index, just regardless of what it's doing, gold will do what it wants. Can you remember when the best year of trading was for you?
When I wasn't trading.
Oh. It's good enough.
No, probably last year
Trump
was
era.
one of the best.
Oh,
2022 and no, 2022 was by far the best.
Mm.
Last year was okay. This year started off well, but
Yeah,
May
it did
isn't.
lead, didn't it? Very good. Can't believe it's 5 months have passed.
From puberty or what?
Not yet.
MH Maroof 854 profit. Well done, brother.
Nice. Good risk management or
Praying, hope.
Mm.
How is your selling, Brad?
I assume it's doing well because my buy is going lower and lower.
Me too.
1 minute, one trader doing fine, next minute someone else. Circle
6
of
minutes
life.
to news.
What is that face, Brad?
Yeah, what was that about?
I just heard an MT4 noise go off, and I thought, shit, I just closed something by accident.
Oh yeah, someone is asking about the PMI data. Well, if PMI comes out lower than expected, that's deflationary. So gold should pump higher. If it's higher than 51.2, 51.3, then most likely it's going to continue down. There you go. Full analysis provided by the Alpha FX.
Mas, on your sound deck thing, do you have any of the MT4 noises?
No.
Ah, so
I
that's
have.
what it comes from me.
I only have this one.
What is that? That cha-ching one?
Cash register.
Do you press that or does it go off on its own?
I do press it, yeah.
Oh. That's a good one. You can be talking about anything if you play that.
Come on, come down. Come on.
Brad, now's the time to break even.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
I'm not
can pull
listening.
out.
I'm not listening to you. I'm not listening to you.
Yeah, not financial advice.
Yeah, but you can now, at least cut your losses before it starts bumping.
Why are you going against your Telegram groups?
Because they're idiots.
What?
They're idiots. I've got a screen here on TradingView. It's split into three. TradingView gives you the formats, and all three are gold. I've got 5 minute, 15 minute, and 1 hour, and I'm waiting for them all RSI all to start pointing down, and then we're good.
Ooh. Overbought and all that.
Yeah.
It's lagging indicator, that is.
Well, it's
Yeah, it's fine. It does
Well,
work.
let him discover the truth, so.
Mate, the 15 is pointing down. The hour is pointing down.
That's good.
So,
Gold is pointing up.
and gold is pointing up. Yeah. Exactly. Exactly right.
But no, seriously, if you get out now, at least you can. It's called damage control. You can mitigate the damage now.
Maybe I should just put on equal and opposite and just hedge the whole account.
Well, to dig a deeper hole, I don't
Yeah.
see any reason.
Yeah.
Try.
It's rarely successful, that strategy.
Just split your account 50-50 and buy and sell at the same place. No stop loss.
No thanks. Come on, get down.
Bump it up.
Don't you know, bump it up. I just tried withdrawing from Forex using a wire transfer, so I didn't have to pay any commission, but they said no, and I have to use Stripe.
Why?
Yeah. That's shitty.
Don't know.
Maybe because you haven't deposited through wire transfer.
That
First, you need
is it.
First, you need to deposit, and it's a common thing that people deposit like, £500 or $500. Then they make a profit of 1,000. They try to withdraw it, but it's not allowed at any broker because of the anti-money laundering regulations. You have to withdraw that amount first, and then you can continue to withdraw. It's silly regulation, but it's just
right.
And you can't use different withdrawal method than the deposit method. But once you do the wire transfer, after that you're free to go anytime. And we have 1 minute and 20 seconds, ladies and gentlemen.
Scary times.
One minute. Brad, you haven't made up your mind?
No, I'm keeping everything as it is. Thank you,
No,
sir.
it's fine. Just wanted to reduce the damage, but we learn by mistakes, so it's fine.
I'll take it. I'll take your money.
Yeah. I mean, someone has to fund, brokers' holidays and all that.
Yeah, it's a zero-sum game, or whatever they say, isn't it?
Yeah, some accounts are zero. Saturdays are gonna be zero today. And we have, but just joking, because markets can go either way. So we're just joking. It's a banter, so don't take it seriously.
Yeah, we're all friends
We
here.
have 7, 6. Well, I'm not friend with Brad, but anyway, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
PMI.
So what is the?
Down!
Oh, Brad, you what?
Down! Keep going! Go, go, go!
PMI was extremely. Look at PMI data.
Go, go, go!
50 is significantly higher.
Oh my god, Euro USD.
But always does the opposite, so it's gonna go up.
Well done, Brad. Well done. Did you get the data beforehand?
No.
No.
Beautiful.
New sales. Yeah.
And a new parabolic SAR dot has just started up above, indicating it's going to go down, down, down for the next hour and a half. Beauty.
Well done. How much you made?
1,200. Well, I haven't closed anything out yet, but 1,200 at the moment.
$400, pounds.
1,200 US at the moment. Down, down, go, go, go.
I'm entering into a sell.
Yes.
The data is, sorry, let me share my trading view. So I entered into a sell. The data is strong. It should continue lower based on the data. So we just saw that manufacturing came out higher, but the services PMI significantly higher. So 4 percentage points, 4.3 percentage point. So it's quite inflationary. So that is today. We had all the data. New home sales is coming up in 13 minutes. I wanted to wait the PMI. Sales are looking good. Hopefully it's going to continue lower. Target, I would say maybe the first target 23.51. So that's about 100 pips. And that would recover my stop losses today. But I'm going to leave you to continue to watch, because we watched the New York Open, we watched the PMI data, we watched jobless claims. Sales are definitely wise. Even you can go a little bit lower. And I leave you to it. Tomorrow is Friday, so I'm going to take the day off. I will send an analysis though and speak tomorrow.
Oh my god. That's why I chose to enter instead of gold.
Day was crazy day.
Oh my tits.
Yeah. The whole week is just crazy.
Yeah, but this day I start the phase 2 on 1000k account. I will be the 4% down.
Nice.
And today I will be 1% up. That's incredible.
That's very good.
I
Oh
need
my
to.
god.
That's cool. That's cool, kurwa.
Cool, kurwa.
Jak się masz, Hubert?
Dobrze, dobrze. A ty, Tomasz?
Very good, kurwa. I had a bit of Żubrówka. It's so much better now.
No. Żubrówka is not good.
No? I
No,
felt
no.
it. What is your best?
Belvedere.
Ah, okay.
It's so expensive vodka, but really
With
good
pierogi?
for my region. Vodka is Wataha.
Tak.
Very good.
Tik-tak. Tik-tak is my tactic. Alright, guys. I'm going to call it today. Yeah, I wish you good luck, guys. Absolutely crap week. Next week is the end of the month. But then again, yeah?
Tomorrow, day off?
Yeah, most likely. It's Friday. No news, no
Okay,
data.
okay, thank
You
you.
will be fine.
I'm gonna be
So
sitting
and
here
it's a
smoking.
crap week for me. So you know it's time to end. Anyway, thank you so much, guys. See you
Take a
later.
break, Thomas.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Have a good